In this video, I will show how to write integral with limits in Microsoft Word document. So there is very simple and easy way. Click on this Insert tab and select Equation. Also, you can use shortcut. Press Alt and equal sign on keyboard. Alt plus equal sign. So this equation editor will be open. Now here the integral. Select this integral with limits, and there are some more options you can select from here. Now enter your number here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you, and please share, like and subscribe this channel.